My name is Construction No Limit. In today's video, we are going to look at the advantages of choosing to apply grout in your tile work over the option of not creating the necessary spacing for grout. I discovered over the years that so many people choose the option of installing their tiles without leaving that appropriate spacing for grout. And I discovered that some of them are doing that as a result of the cost of the grout. But today we are going to look at the advantages of applying grout over the option of not applying grout. You are going to find out that it's far better to apply grout, which means you need to install your tiles by creating appropriate spacing for this tile, because if you try to install your tiles by not creating appropriate space, the little space in between the tiles, there's no way it could be able to prevent water penetration. And not only water penetration, there's no way it can actually hold grout if you decide to apply grout. So you must choose from the beginning which option you want to use, and then you maintain that option. No, today we are going to look at the option of, or the advantages of installing your tiles with the intention to apply grout. So in this case, you must first of all maintain the appropriate spacing, which is a minimum of 1/16 inches or 1.5 millimeter. So that's the appropriate space you need to create while you are installing your tiles for the grout. Okay, having that in the mind, so let's look at the advantages of grout in your installation. One, we need to find out that grout supports the structure. So it provides a structural support. Your tile work comes in pieces. There are many pieces of the tiles. You know, some of them could be 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter, or 600 millimeter by 600 millimeter, or any size. So they come in various sizes. So what you need to understand is that when you apply grout in between the pieces, it's going to increase the strength of the unit, because it's going to bind all the tiles together and then making the unit to become one. As a result, it's going to create space for thermal expansion. You know, the tiles undergoes a process of heating and cooling, and this process of heating and cooling will create thermal expansion, which will result into the tile damaging if there's no space in between. So thermal expansion as a result of exchange in heat within the tile could damage the tile if the space is not created. So structural support is one good reason for that. The second reason you should create enough space for grout during your tile installation is the grout seals the gap, thereby preventing debris, moisture or dirt or all kinds of particles seeping through and damaging the underlying substrate, the material you use for laying the tile. The substrate is weakened if water goes inside. So when you seal the gap, water will not go inside, thereby extending the longevity of the entire installation. The third one is that original grout is water resistance, and as a result, once you apply it, it's going to resist anything liquid going into the cracks, to go inside and hide there and create good environment for growth of other things. The third reason is that when you do not apply grout in your tiling work. It's going to create space for water to penetrate, like I said, and water goes inside. Mildew and mold will begin to grow because the water will create conducive environment for them to grow. Water and mildew, they grow within an environment that is wet. So leaving the gap open will cause water to go inside and create this environment. Then the fourth reason is that it's when you apply grout in your tiling work, it makes the tile, looks beautiful. Makes the tile work look beautiful, and especially when you try to blend it with different color. Example, your tile is white and you choose a grout that is red, so it's going to give a red lines that will bring out the aesthetic appealing of the work, and the appearance of the entire construction will be so beautiful. So aesthetic appealing is one of the advantages of creating space that is good for grout. And lastly is easy maintenance. So when you apply grout in your tile installation, it's easy to clean, easy to maintain. So it's good to apply grout in your tiling work for these reasons.
Hello, my name is Construction Mildew.
I just want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video till this time. It means you find it interesting. And I want to ask you, please don't end until you leave a comment at the comment section. I want to know how you feel. Please, I also want to ask you that you may consider subscribing for my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Please, thank you for considering to do it now. Thank you. Thank you.